Namaskar. Today I will discuss the examples on initial value problem. Find all the solutions of the following initial value problem. Phi double dash plus phi dash minus 6 pi is equal to 0. Phi of 0 is equal to 1 and phi dash of 0 is equal to 0. The required given equations pi double dash plus pi dash minus 6 pi is equal to 0, and its polynomial equation characteristic polynomial is p of r is equal to r square plus r minus 6. Therefore r minus 3 into r minus 6, r plus 3 into r minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore r is equal to minus 3 and r is equal to plus 2. That is r1 is equal to minus 3 and r2 is equal to plus 2. Therefore solution is phi of x is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 3x is a general solutions. Now phi of 0 is equal to 1. This implies that c1 e raised to 0 plus c2 e raised to 0, that is c1 plus c2 is equal to 1, and phi dash of 0 is equal to 0, that is phi dash of x is equal to c1 2 e raised to 2x minus 3 c2 e raised to minus 3x. At x equal to 0, phi dash of 0 is equal to 2c1 minus 3c2 is equal to 0. Therefore give the equation number c1 plus c2 is equal to 1 and c2 minus 3c2 2c1 minus 3c2 is equal to 0. Equation number 2, and we get c1 is equal to 3 by 5 and c2 is equal to 2 by 5, and the required solution is phi of x is equal to 3 e raised to 2x divided by 5 plus 2 e raised to 2x divided by 5. The characteristic polynomial is p of r is equal to r square plus 1, r1 is equal to I, r2 is equal to minus I, are the distinct roots. Phi of x is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x is the general solution. Phi of 0 is equal to 1, c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0 is equal to 1 gives c1 is equal to 1. Phi of pi by 2 is equal to 2, c1 cos of pi by 2 plus c2 sin of pi by 2 is equal to 2 gives c2 is equal to 2. Thus phi of x is equal to cos x plus 2 sin x is the required solution. Now equation is phi double dash plus phi is equal to 0, and condition is phi of 0 is equal to 1 and pi of pi by 2 is equal to 0. The characteristic polynomial of given equation is P of r is equal to r square plus k. Since k is any constant, k can be positive, negative or 0. Case first, when k greater than 0, then r1 is equal to root ki, r2 is equal to minus root ki, r square plus k is equal to 0, r square is equal to minus k nothing but k into minus 1 and k into minus 1 nothing but k into I square. Therefore r square is equal to k into I square and taking square root on both sides. Therefore r is equal to plus minus square root of ki. Then r1 is equal to root ki and r2 is equal to minus ki are distinct roots. Therefore solution is phi of x is equal to c1 e raised to root kx kix plus c2 e raised to minus root kix is a general solution. In general, pi of x is equal to a cos of root kx plus b sin of root kx is the general solution. Pi of 0 is equal to 0 implies that a cos 0 plus b sin 0 is equal to 0 and this gives a is equal to 0. Pi of pi is equal to 0 implies that a cos pi plus b sin pi is equal to 0, that is a is equal to 0. Then pi of x equal to b sin of root kx is a solution where b is any constant. Case second, k is equal to 0. P of r is equal to r square is equal to 0, r is equal to 0 is a repeated roots. Pi of x is equal to r1 e raised to alpha plus r2 x e raised to 0. Therefore c1 plus c2 x is a solution. Pi of 0 is equal to 0, therefore c1 is equal to 0. Pi of pi is equal to 0, therefore c1 plus c2 pi is equal to 0, therefore c2 is equal to 0. This implies that there is a no non-trivial solutions corresponding to k is equal to 0. When k is third, when k is less than 0, for k is equal to 0, p of r is equal to r square plus k has distinct roots. R is equal to minus square root of minus k and r2 is equal to minus square root of minus k. Pi of x is equal to c1 e raised to minus square root of kx plus c2 e raised to minus square root of minus kx. Pi of 0 is equal to c1 plus c2 is equal to 0. Pi of pi is equal to c1 e raised to minus square root of k pi plus c2 e raised to minus square root of k pi is equal to 0. Simultaneous evaluations of about two equations gives c1 is equal to c2 is equal to 0. Thus there is no non-trivial solutions corresponding to k less than 0, and the only non-trivial solutions for the given equation is pi of x is equal to b sin of square root of kx. The characteristic polynomial given equation is next one, phi double dash minus 2 phi dash minus 3 pi is equal to 0. Given that conditions, pi of 0 is equal to 0 and pi dash of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, characteristic polynomial of given equation is p of r is equal to r square minus 2r minus 3. Therefore, r1 is equal to 3 and r2 is equal to 1. Are that is to two distinct roots. Therefore, solution is phi of x is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus x is the general solution. Pi of 0 is equal to 0 implies that pi of 0 is equal to c1 plus c2 is equal to 0. Pi of dash of x is equal to 3 c1 e raised to 3x minus c2 e raised to minus x. Pi dash of 0 is equal to 1. Pi dash of 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 3 c1 minus c2. Thus c1 plus c2 is equal to 0. 3 c1 minus c2 is equal to 1 gives c1 is equal to 1 by 4 and c2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, pi of x is equal to 1 by 4 e raised to 3x minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus x is the required solutions.